Stop being lazy, sis. Go ahead and put some work into them wigs. You too can slay your wigs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling good. I got nails on. I got blonde hair. I feel good. So today I am talking about a wig sent to us by Sam's Beauty. This is the sensational What Lace Adana wig, and I have the color Money Piece Blonde. This wig came out a couple months ago, but it's okay. It's getting cold outside. We need the thicker units. You know, it's time to bust out the thick units. I'm going to show you guys how I put this wig on, and I'm also going to show you guys in this video more of a detailed talk through. I do normally just show you guys how I put it on, and sometimes I talk, sometimes I don't. This wig in particular, I'm really going to explain the benefits of putting work into your wig and how you put the wig on. I'm not too sure how long this video is going to be, but it's definitely going to be beneficial for whoever needs help with putting on the wig and understanding why we're doing certain steps. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Giving this video a thumbs up actually helps my channel. It helps push my videos out. If you guys want to know how to support your YouTuber, give a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Trust me, engagement helps my channel. Hit that subscribe button, boop, and let's go ahead and jump into this wig.
Hey friends, so again, this is the sensational What Lace Adana wig, and I have the color Money Piece Blonde. So I try to start my foundation off with a really flat base. I have my hair braided down, really small braids. Sometimes I do big and sometimes I just slick it back. And these 10 small braids gets my wigs the flattest. So it's really important up under your wig to keep your hair moisturized. I like to go in and oil my scalp. I like this applicator on this one. This is just some Do Girl oil. Use whatever oil you like. And I also like to go in with my hair grease and put it on the ends of my hair because this is the oldest part of your hair, so you want to keep that moisturized as well. So next, depending on the type of wig, the hair cap matters. I'm going in with a black one because this is a HD lace and it's going to show throughout the wig. So black is actually better for these type of wigs. I also like to go in with a wig grip because it does secure the wig. And this is pretty much the wig fresh out the pack, guys. Nice curls all around and a yucky texture. So inside the wig, you're going to get your lace frontal, you're going to get your 2 combs and then 1 in the back. You get a nice stretchy cap as well. So I'm showing you guys exactly what the lace is looking like when you don't tint it. And I was kind of thrown off by the color, but that's another story. So the sides of this wig is really thick. The hairline is really straight and it's slightly plucked, but plucking it some more really does make a difference. So I'm going in real time to show you guys exactly how slow I pluck. I normally fast forward, which I'm about to do now for the sake of timing, but I'm just plucking like the front hairline first, and then I go in deeper and kind of pluck behind the hairline because it's going to create a nice transitional gradient effect. And again, I'm just showing you guys how I'm going in all around the wig. I'm going to kind of skip some parts, but I really wanted to show you guys how, even though I fast forward in the video, I really take my time to pluck this wig. So again, this color, I was really thrown off with this color, but it comes together. So now we're going to tackle that lace. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I like to skip this part, but it really does make a difference if you don't want to see a cast and you really want to blend your lace to make it look more realistic. So I'm going in with some lace tint spray. Now I'm going to secure this wig. So this is not glue, this is just like a lace temporary hold spray. The wigs with this lace frontal, melting it really does make a difference. And I'm brushing back the hair and just kind of going in and spraying some more. I'm just spraying like that whole hairline. So before I put my elastic band on, guys, I like to go in with a blow dryer. And then when I feel like it's somewhat dry, I'm going to go in with my elastic band. And then we wait and I do my baby hairs off camera.
Alright guys, so that completes the install of this wig. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some specs, and then we're going to talk, and I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about this wig. Do y'all see my nails? Can we get a minute to appreciate my nails? These nails are super cute. They're linked below. I got them from Amazon, and they're just really cute. I'm really impressed. I'm about to go back and get more colors because they're really cute. They're like $10. Anyway, that's not why you guys are here. Y'all know I got memory loss. I gotta tell you guys this stuff. So the wig we're talking about today is the sensational Cloud 9 What Lace wig. I have the style Adana, and I have the color Money Piece Blonde. This is from the What Lace collection. It says it has HD lace. Let's go ahead and read some more specs in here. Let's go ahead and read this book. This is a huge pamphlet. So it says it's from the What Lace collection. If you guys are familiar with Sensational and What Lace, this is the collection that it's like, hold on, wait, that's a wig? That's this collection. You're definitely going to get that. It's an undetectable lace. I'll talk about that in a second. It's 13 by 6 going back. It is like coming right here. To me, it's not like the old What Laces that we used to get, but you know, we're used to this by now. So you're gonna get only the lace parting space right here in the middle, and then you're gonna get like maybe an inch of parting space for the lace. It says it's an undetectable flawless hairline, baby hairs, customized lead, blah 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 blah. Customized. I said blah blah because I couldn't say it. That's why I said blah blah. But it's a customized hairline, and it's a pre-plucked unit. So this wig came out back in March, and I actually bought this wig. If you guys have been following me, y'all know I kind of took like a 4-month break because I was sick. I don't want to say the word because sometimes your videos get flagged when you talk about certain things, but I had something, okay? Go back and watch that video if you want to know what happened. Anyway, I bought this wig in March. I actually bought this wig in the natural color. I was out from like February to about June, and I decided to just go ahead and sell it because I was like, you know what, I missed the wave. It's not new anymore, blah, 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 blah. And I sold the natural color. So this video is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. Shout out to Sam's Beauty for sending over this wig. Thank you so much. I chose to pick the Money Piece Blonde because I was like, so many reviews have came out and they're like a lot of natural colors, and you know, we don't see any blondes. So I was like, let me go ahead and just pick blonde this time around. So that's how we're here on the color. There are a lot of different colors in this collection. You can get your flamboyage colors, or you can get your money piece colors. So your money piece basically means that if I did part this wig down the middle, you're supposed to get like some highlights going on right here, some money piece thing going on. I'm not parting it in the middle, I'm parting it to the side. So that's what that money piece is. As far as the color that I did choose, I'll go ahead and just jump into the texture of this wig. This wig is definitely yaki. This is a thick yaki wig. You're gonna get your nice big barrel curls. I did recently review her sister Dasha, and that one was straighter and it only had the curls in the front. This one is gonna be your curls all around. When you guys decide to pick color, keep in mind that the color may be a little drier than the person you watched that maybe reviewed a natural color. So this is blonde, and the texture on this, it feels good, but because it's blonde, it's a little drier. You guys remember when Elite Babe and Angel Face came out? I reviewed both of those wigs in 2 different colors, and I noticed that the natural color, it was more coated. This one is a little bit more dry. This is definitely reminding me of Angel Face. And it's not too dry, but it definitely is more synthetic-y to me, in my opinion. But that's what happens when you start messing in blondes and colors, so I should have known that. But it's still pretty. So initially when I first put this wig on, I was like, hold on, I don't know how I feel about this. But the blonde is pretty. This blonde is a little green to me. It's pretty, but I wish it had a little bit more dimension to it. But it's still cute. And I feel like when you put your face together and you know all that stuff, you know, it comes together and it's still really pretty. I like the fact that you're gonna get your blend into this wig. It's definitely a different blonde that I've ever reviewed. It's more of your 613 blonde, but I like the fact that the hair does blend into the blonde. This is gonna be, I don't even know what color this is. It kind of looks gray to me, but it's not like a harsh black, but it kind of looks like a gray, and then it blends into the blonde. There are a little bit of dimensions in here, but it's not much. I just wish it had a little bit more like ambers to kind of tone it down, because it's a little too harsh for me, but it might be for you. I'm just telling you what works for me. So that's the colors. I love the curls on here because when I did review Dasha, it's straighter, and what I noticed with that one, the more you manipulate it, the straighter it does get. So this one, the more I'm playing with it, it's still having those curls and it's holding up. So I like that. It has these layers in here in the front. I chose to go into the side and do this little situation here, but like I said, it's a lot of nice parting space, so you can part it in the middle, you can put it in a ponytail, you can do whatever you want to do with your wig. It's your wig, your life. As far as the hairline goes, I chose to make this video to show you guys what happens when you actually put time into your wig. Because this is a lace front wig, it says it's HD. Ever since I came back from Jamaica, you know, I just been lazy. I have been so lazy with my wigs. Putting the time into your wigs definitely makes a difference. And what I mean by that is, as you guys saw, the lace is white. This wig definitely needs to be customized. It's not for beginners in my opinion. I did have to go on with my lace tint spray, and lately I have been telling you guys just going with powder, whatever, but I think that works when you go in with powder and then maybe put like a liquid on top of it to blend it in, because the powder kind of looks a little powdery. But I did go in with my lace tint spray. I did use my Kufani lace tint spray, and I went in with a little bit of powder on top of it, and then I also went in with this cream contour stick. I forgot that I've done this before. I think I did this in Bobbi Boss Mabel. I did this and I have no idea why I stopped doing it, but it makes a difference when you go in and really blend the mess out of this lace. Going in with a little bit of contour or cream products, it does make a difference in my opinion, versus just using powder. As far as the hairline goes, guys, as you saw, I did choose to go in and pluck a little bit more of the hairline. It is a great hairline. The knots are really thin on here, but I did go in and pluck some more because I wanted to really customize this wig and show you guys the potential of when you really put the work into something, what you could get out of it. The sides of this wig, it's really dense right here, so I have no idea why they chose to pluck up to here and not give us the sides. But then I did start getting lazy again, and I just said I'm not doing all that. So I didn't feel like it. I thought it would hide, so I didn't pluck inside. I also did go in with my hot comb. I feel like when you do use a hot comb, guys, it kind of smooths out the wig a little bit more and it makes it look more natural versus not using a hot comb. So I did use the hot comb in the front here, and then I did comb it back with the hairline here and here, and it makes such a difference with the wigs once you use a hot comb. Shout out to Body by Kira, because I used to see her do it all the time, and that's when I started doing it. And I also see Taste Pink do it, and their wigs are like flawless. So when you go in with your hot comb, trust me on that, it's definitely gonna make a difference on your wig. I don't recommend using the hot comb all the way down because the texture of this wig is gonna change. It is synthetic, so keep in mind, if you run that comb all the way through, girl, you're gonna lose this texture. You're gonna get a real press, but you're not gonna be able to wash it and get back this blowout texture. So keep in mind, it's synthetic. You just gotta know what you're dealing with. I also did go in this time, guys, with this ORS olive oil Fix It spray. This is not something new, just to tell you guys to use. I did mention before in a previous video that I got this curl box with all these olive oil products, and I'm just trying to use up my products, to be honest with you. But I did go in and try this, and I really like it. You can use whatever spray you like. I still like the Ebin, I still like the Kufani, I still like the Bedhead, but I feel like this one definitely is a super hold. This is a super hold. I did have to go in on the sides though with gel. If you do want to secure this wig all the way down, you're gonna have to use gel on the side. The air tabs don't stick. I have no idea why they don't stick with the spray, but they don't. They just don't. Because the texture of this wig is so dry, you're definitely gonna have to go in with your products. You're gonna have to go in with your synthetic wig spray. I talk about this all the time. This is good because I feel like it kind of conditions the wig. It makes it a little bit softer, but then when it dries, it does get back a little bit dry. But this mixed with serum, I'm telling y'all, it's the perfect combo. I be trying to tell y'all these things, but it's up to you to listen. Go in with your products. Don't go in too heavy because it is synthetic, so you don't want to weigh down the wig, but it's definitely going to make a difference when you do go in and put products on this wig. It is already getting a little ratty on me because of the color. You know what? In Dasha, I reviewed the natural one. I did use a little bit of fabric softener on that and it softened it up. So sometimes using fabric softener on these wigs, that'll do the trick. If it starts to get a little bit too dry, put some fabric softener on it. I did use powder in the parting space. And I also chose to go in with a little bit of baby hairs. When you are messing with baby hairs in a synthetic wig, you could try to use mousse, but because this is plastic, you have to use something a little firmer. So one video, I did use this Ebin gel, but the Got2b, this is an all-time, can't go wrong with this one. This one right here, it gets a little bit too hard for me and a little bit too cakey, but this Got2b is the truth. It's got to be slicked. That's what it's got to be. It's got to be. I feel like if you go in and you put the work into this wig, you can get your looks. And I feel like you can get your wears out of it because it is a kinkier texture. It's not silky, so it's definitely going to hold up on you. Stop being lazy, sis. Go ahead and put some work into them wigs. You too can slay your wigs. I believe in you. It's crazy what putting on a little bit of makeup with these wigs does. The makeup definitely brought this wig to life to me because initially it just was not it. The color was, it was just too olive for me. It just wasn't working. This goes to show too that sometimes just because you see a wig in a certain color, you gotta look at the actual wig. Look at the curls, look at the style, and then consider maybe a different color. This color, it's pretty, like I said, but it's just not for me. She got potential, y'all. This wig is in the $50 range. So you're paying for a lace frontal, you're paying for the hairline, you're paying for the collection, you're paying for the name, but it is in the $50 range. And I do feel like it's worth it because I feel like this wig is definitely gonna hold up on you. And keep in mind, once you customize it, you don't have to customize it anymore. If you guys are looking for a more affordable option of this wig, I do recommend maybe Sensational Angel Face because it still is pretty. But this one is more of a lace frontal. Angel Face has just that middle lace part. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending over this wig. Y'all check that description box because your girl be selling her wigs after she reviews them. And especially with this color, I'm not too sure if I'm going to hold on to it. So it might be on sale. But it's still pretty. I think I'm going to just have to go back in and buy that natural color now. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.